Hello people, welcome to my channel Physio Guide by Divya. So today I am going to teach about pulmonary rehab program in cardio rehab topics. Okay, pulmonary rehab program, respiratory care. So from textbook only I am explaining. For losing of secretions techniques, the following 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are 6 techniques in this for loosening of secretions and to come out. There's a first one: massage manipulation, breathing exercise, postural drainage, inhalation therapy, humidification, IPPB. Okay, now in individually I'm explaining every topic clear. Let's start our video. What is a massage manipulation? Massage manipulation means firstly what is the meaning of secretions. The losing of secretions means the extraction which comes from the substance, the discharge from cells like glands in our body, glands, organs, the discharge from that substance after they function, what the discharge will come, that particles are excreted by these secretions. Okay, these are called as that. So what is in this massage manipulation with means from this manipulation only we can understand. Manipulation means hand therapy. Okay, with the high use of the hand, the treatment, what the treatment will give. Okay, that is massage manipulation with hand therapy. In this there are 3 types: clapping, vibration, shaking. Clapping is done by like this. The metacarpophalangeal joints are flexed slightly, and cup-like form is formed, and in this the patient repeated movements are given like this. Now we'll read it. Okay, clapping technique slightly done with cupped hand that strike the chest wall one after the other to loosen the secretions in the lungs. Okay, position of the patient is in prone line with blanket over chest. Blanket must be placed over the chest. Position of the therapist is stride standing, means walk standing, means stand on both legs with one foot in front and the other one starting like that, taking a step like that. Stride standing, walk standing like position, and arms kept at 30 degrees abduction. Abduction means away from the elbow, away from the body. Elbow flexed to 90 degrees, and hand is cupped, and hang in this cupped. Fingers and thumbs are adducted means nearby, adducted, and metacarpophalangeal joint of index, middle ring finger are slightly flexed. Okay, now how this technique is being done: rapid control of flexion and extension of wrist like this. Flexion, extension. In indications for in whom will give mostly means in chronic respiratory disorder patients. Now vibrations is done by like this, one hand over the other, and like this upward downward, like this upward downward will move from down to the upwards. Okay, like this. Now we'll read it. By distal part of the upper limb used to transmit mechanical energy to body. In this there are again 2 types: vibrations and shaking. Vibration is done by movement of hand is in upward and downward direction. Forearm is kept in full pronation. So forearm is in full pronation. So hand be contact with the patient's skin. Wrist in 70 to 90 degrees dorsiflexion. Now shaking, forearm is in mid-prone position. Hands move in medial and lateral direction, like medial, lateral directly. Wrist is in 0 to 10 degrees of dorsiflexion. Now how this technique is been given, these vibrations. Therapist is in box standing position, like in stride standing, elbow extended and shoulder little flexed, one hand one over the other, and with contact with the chest wall of the patient. Transfer body weight of the therapist to patient's chest by extended upper extremities. This causes oscillatory to and fro motion. Okay, oscillatory movement of hand in upward and downwards. This vibration will give upward and downwards direction, transmit mechanical energy to patient's chest. Vibration is performed during expiratory, means after expiration, release of air will start this vibration. phase of experience, patient is asked to inhale deeply and then blow off all air through mouth. Vibration is initiated just before expiration phase and extended to beginning of the inspirator. At that phase will give this vibration. Note this point. Manual frequency of 20 Hz uses thick sputum from the bronchial wall, and mobilize the secretions. Secretions are being moved. See, this is the bronchus, small and upper bronchus. In this this is alveoli. This is bronchus. From this, the bronchus wall, the thick sputum comes out into trachea, and this is from the mouth. Okay. Now shaking. Shaking transmits oscillatory mechanical energy to chest wall. The direction of the oscillatory is sideways process, radial and ulnar deviation of the wrist. Like this will catch this patient and will move this. Therapist adopts walk standing. Both the hands are over the chest wall, over the affected loop. The shoulder adducted and elbow slightly flexed. This is the technique. Okay. Now position of the patient's position. In this, there are two positions are given. We can give in anything. Patient in supine lying position. Place both hands on each side of the anterior chest wall. On other position, one hand on anterior chest wall and other hand on the posterior chest wall. In same side also we can give. One in both sides anterior chest wall will give like this shaking. One here and one posterior also will give like this also shaking. Okay. In side lying position, the therapist position is both hands on the upper lateral chest wall and one and on the anterior, another one on the posterior chest wall of the upper side. In side lying position, the patient will be, and like this also will give shaking. Shaking done only in expiratory phase. This is also same. Therapist transmits body weight to the patients and upward downward movements of upper extremity. This gives vigorous shaking to chest wall. In side lying patients, this also dislodges secretions from bronchial tree. Sputum is shifted from smaller to larger bronchus. This is smaller now. This is smaller. This is the larger which comes in. This is the trachea. Like this is a smaller to larger it comes. Smaller to larger bronchioles. Shaking over sternum during respiratory stimulates cough reflex. It won't be given in contraindications in hemoptysis, means some one who get blood with mixed with sputum, coughing up blood. In those patients we must not give this coughing, vibration, shaking techniques. Pleural pain, pleuritic pain means sharp chest pain more during breathing. They'll feel in them also. Pulmonary TB, it's contagious and spreads from one to one. Bacterial infection that spread, and rib fractures and osteoporosis means the bone that becomes weak and brittle means hard, easily break, and new bone doesn't form and old bone is removed. Okay, that is called this osteoporosis. Now once take a screenshot. This is easily I have explained you. In one paper only I have explained you the manual massage manipulation. So I hope you understood this topic. Thank you for watching my video.